Use your serger to create a modern version of the classic Argyle look, then turn it into a notebook cover. Today I am pleased to introduce you to the Arabella Argyle notebook cover. This project begins with 2-inch watercolor grid fusible interfacing chain stitched together. Then add the decorative stitching with the 4-thread cover stitch. And add a touch of piping with my one-step piping technique. Then slip a standard composition notebook inside and use that built-in bookmark to hold back the pages. And when you're all finished, close your notebook up with the pen holder that doubles as a clever closure. And the best part is the entire project is made with your serger. This pattern has 6 pages of graphic instruction, but if you learn best by video, you might consider treating yourself to the add-on video course. This 8-part course includes nearly an hour of high-definition video with lifetime access. Need to see a step again? Just stop, rewind, and play back. Get your Arabella Argyle notebook cover today, and don't forget to treat yourself to the add-on video course. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!